This channel has been monetized on YouTube for a while now, and today I'm going to share how much money this channel makes and whether or not it's worth you starting your own channel. Firstly, can you make money from YouTube without showing your face? Basically, I've never shown my face on this channel and I managed to get monetized, so in short, the answer is yes. Getting monetized. There have been plenty of videos made explaining the whole monetization process, so I won't go too much into that here. In a nutshell, when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you can apply to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to make money from adverts placed on your videos. I started this channel in September 2020 and got monetized in July 2021, and believe me, it's not for the faint-hearted. Unless you have a big audience or following on another social media platform or blog or something already, then be prepared for hours and hours spent making a video only for a handful of friends and family to watch. So how much does this channel make? Since monetization, I've roughly earned between £5 to £10 per 1,000 views on YouTube, and this month the total earnings from the channel should cross the £1,000 mark. From what I have seen on other videos, this seems to be a touch higher as this channel is mainly about finance and investing, so it is worth bearing that in mind. Other channels might be a bit less than this. My best month was just under £310, but it has dropped off since then, and the monthly income certainly fluctuates a lot. Also, a lot of YouTubers make a considerable amount of money from affiliates and video sponsors, etc., which is not really a route that I am interested in going down. So should you start your own channel? If anyone was to ask me this, I would definitely reply with yes, you probably should. I wanted to start a channel for ages, but the big thing putting me off was that I didn't want to put myself out there on camera for the world to see. There are other options like blogging and podcasting, etc., but from what I've seen, these can be very hard to gain traction on and monetize, and they are also very saturated when it comes to personal finance and financial independence. What I like about YouTube is that it makes a clear path for you to start making money, and the algorithm makes it easier for people to find your content if they are into it, so you can just focus on creating content and not having to self-promote on other social media platforms, for example. Also, it is practically free to start up. Final thoughts. Don't believe the hype. My experience of making money online is that it is hard and often takes a huge amount of time or money to get started. So make sure it's something that you are passionate about, because after the initial excitement wears off, it's easy to quit unless you enjoy what you are doing. The beauty of YouTube ad revenue income is that in theory it has no upper ceiling. The more views your channel gets, the more money you make, and once a video has been uploaded, it should hopefully continue to bring in future income over time. So it's a process of building up a library of content and continually adding to it over time, and hopefully, if people like it, they'll continue to watch your future videos as well, creating a snowball of channel growth in both views and subscribers. The way I look at it is for every £1,000 that someone can make doing something they enjoy, then that's effectively £25,000 less they need in their savings pot to reach financial independence, which could dramatically reduce time to FI and also allow someone to start focusing their time on doing something they are passionate about earlier, which is kind of what the whole FI or financial freedom movement is all about anyway. So there we have it. Hopefully this has been helpful to anyone thinking of starting up a channel and giving you a bit of inspiration to just put yourself out there and start that project that you have in mind.